again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Duck brand or Easy Start packing tapes, 1.88 inches by 54.6 yards. This is ultra clear and this is a great value. This is an 8-pack. As you can see, there's 4 times 2 in there. And what's really unique about this product, and I've tried them all, is that this is 2.6 mils thick. Now, a lot of the ones out there you buy, you got to be careful. They're 1.8 or 1 to 1.2, 1.2. This is definitely thicker. I've been using this for years now, and I've tried all of them, even 3M, and they don't work like this. This never catches. This never rips. You never have to restart it and recut it and lose material. Unbelievable. This is how it was sent. This is long-lasting acrylic adhesive on here. These have a really good wide temperature range. They go from 14 degrees to 140 degrees, and that's important because I ship a lot of packages on eBay and Amazon, and I want to make sure that that doesn't come apart when it gets a little warmer or a little colder out there. This meets all postal regulations, and again, it unrolls smoothly and easily. It's frustration-free because it's not going to rip. And you're getting a total of 436 yards on here with this 8-pack offer. So let's open this up. Let's take a closer look at it. So there they are out of the package. And I'm going to have a link where you can get one of these dispensers from the same brand or other brands. These work really great because you can put the roll on there and you can quickly go against your package and then cut it with the blade. These last a long time. I've had this for about 17 years. But let's take a look at this. It's got little starter arrows on there, you can see right there. But this is really what you're getting. You're getting a really high quality tape that's ultra clear and really thick. And when you buy in bulk like this, Amazon has the best price. They beat out all my local distributors and all local stores. So what do I think about this product? Well, I like this product. I've been using it for years, as I mentioned. It's not going to fail you. Trust me, I've tried other ones. Don't buy cheaper ones. You'll be so frustrated, you'll be pulling your hair out. So this is well worth the value of this is unbelievable, and this is not expensive at all. You end up spending more for lower quality tapes when you buy 1 or 2. So I'm going to give this package and this deal on Amazon a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.